The concept wise, it's everything is completed, I think, in straight lines. Leslie, did you try to do this? Could you do this one?
Yes, sir. I tried to do that, but I couldn't get it.
Okay. Venkat, did you see the last class recording?
Only completed till half.
Acha. See, actually, in the last class, what I taught, na? I taught this bisectors. How to find out the equation of bisectors. This is first thing. And then I have taught shifting and rotation. What was shifting? When suppose there is a point x comma y and the axis gets shifted to capital X and capital Y, which are at a distance of h unit, means y axis at the new y axis at a distance of h unit from the original y, and new x axis at a distance of k unit from the original x.
Yes.
In that case, what would be the new coordinates that become small x, y? That use actually by distances you can easily find out. The recording you will be better. You will be able to understand better. Capital X plus h we can write as small x.
So what is h here? H is the distance between the new graph and the original graph.
This distance.
Okay.
K is this distance. Now, if we know with respect to the original axis, if we take y axis as this y and x is this small x, then we can easily write. But because it's capital X, if we try to show it, will be this one. Na? This will be capital X, and this will be capital Y. New coordinate system. Now we can easily write capital Y plus K is equal to small y.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I had actually doubt in the equation of bisectors one. I had understood the in center and x sector. I doubt in this bisectors one equation for bisectors.
Tell me what's the doubt.
Like if you can explain it once again, I could understand it through the video. Just like
in the equation of bisectors, na, whenever we are trying to find out the equation of bisectors, that means they are basically the angular bisectors. Internal and external.
Yes.
The equation of the bisector is given by this. A1x plus b1y, the equation of one line divided by the square root of its coefficient.
Sorry.
Is equal to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c to this line. But there is a procedure actually to find out which the line, the positive sign will give you internal bisector or the external bisector. Okay. Now, what's the procedure? Whenever we have an equation, two lines equation given to us, we actually first make the constants as positive. We are here x plus y minus 1 is there, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is there. Already in the second equation, this constant is positive. So first what we'll do for the first equation, we'll try to make the constant positive. How? By multiplying it with a minus 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
After
like
that,
we have to make the constants as like positive, like equal. Even this line.
Not equal. We have to
Signage.
make them positive. Sign wise, you have to make them same, positive.
Okay, sir.
Then in the step 2, find out the new equation which is formed. You find out what is A1, B1 and C1, what is A2, B2 and C2.
Okay.
A1 is minus 1, A2, B1 is minus 1 and C1 is plus 1. A2 is 2, B2 is 3 and C2 is 4. Now you have to calculate in the step 3, you have to calculate A1, A2 plus B1, B2. Here in this case, if you try to calculate a1, a2 minus 1 into 2 plus b1, b2 minus 1 into 3, which is minus 5. Now, there is a condition. If a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is greater than 0, that means the positive sign will give you obtuse angle bisector.
Obtuse angle bisector, okay. Because it has to be larger than.
And negative sign will give you acute angle bisector.
Okay. So is there any like different formula, or like we will continue with the same one?
Same one.
Okay.
Same one only, you do not have to worry.
Okay.
But you have to take those lines in which the constant is positive.
Okay.
Now try to find, if you get in the second case, if you get a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is less than 0, like we have got here, the positive sign will represent for acute angle bisector and negative sign for obtuse angle bisector respectively. Okay. So that's why, because we have got here negative, so putting this equation in the formula minus x minus y plus 1, by this the negative angle will, negative sign will give us here, negative sign will give us the obtuse angle bisector, right?
Okay, sir.
So I have put the negative sign, and for the acute angle bisector, you will get the positive. You will get it by getting positive sign. That's the procedure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I've given one equation. This you can try. Arey, what happened? Let's say what is happening.
Sir, there was some internet issue. That's why I.
Okay. Because see, there is same name and two devices are joined. Acha. I have given question. Actually, this equation, see here, this is 7, this is minus 2. You have to make it you have to make it positive first. Minus 12x minus 5y plus 12v2 equal to 0. Then you have to calculate a1, a2 plus b1, b2. You'll get 20 minus 36, which is less than 0.
So acute angle.
Acute angle bisector they are asking means you have to get the positive sign you have to take. So
basically you have to just calculate and you get the answer. Okay.
So 3x minus 4y plus 7 divided by root over 3 square plus minus 4 square is equal to
25. So like 5, 7, so
what
5.
he want acute angle bisector, no? Okay.
So 5.
Positive sign minus 12x minus 5y plus 2 divided by root over minus 12 square plus minus 5 square. This will give you the equation.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, sir. So we will get the equation through it. Okay, sir.
Now after this, I have told the shifting and rotation. The shifting was what happens if there is a point in the coordinate system with x and y axis, and we actually shift our axis to some other point. Means the axis have been shifted to capital X and capital Y. Now the axis system has been shifted. So now with respect to this new system, what is the new coordinate of the small x, small y you will get? That we have to find. It's actually very easy, because we already know when you have a point x, small small y, what is the meaning of that? Means the distance of the point from the y-axis is small x.
Okay,
and
sir.
distance of the point from the x-axis is small y. Now, with respect to new system, if we get the coordinate of the same point as capital X, capital Y, the capital
So
Y
we
will
can
be
add it. We can like add and get the origin like in the beyond.
You can get the relation between them. So small x,
basically it is like we are shifting it to a newer graph, newer coordinate axis.
yes. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now this is one thing. The other thing is this: what happens to the coordinate of x small y when we rotate the axis?
Hmm.
In that case, I have given one trick, one table I have given, and I have asked Lasya to remember this one. Same thing you also will be doing.
Hmm.
What you have to do is just try to remember this table.
Hmm.
The table is you write capital X, capital Y in the left, small y at the top, cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta.
Hmm.
Now, when you have to find out the capital X
Hmm.
with respect to new coordinate system,
Yes,
will be
sir.
small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. You have to go left to right.
Hmm.
Similarly, capital Y is equal to x into minus sin theta plus y into cos theta. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if you want to get small x in terms of capital X and capital Y, you have to go down. Small x is
Hmm.
equal to capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. Similarly, small y is equal to capital X into sin theta plus y into cos theta.
So basically, it is like that the table is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So if I'm changing small x to the capital X, so we'll only multiply the capital X with cos theta, small x with cos theta. And if we are like, suppose we are changing the small x to capital X and Y.
Then
No,
you
no, no. Sorry, sir.
understood, no? You have to make use of this table.
Sir, here what is in the y capital one, which have written x into minus sin theta plus y into cos theta?
This is capital Y. When you have rotated the axis, small x is small y by an angle theta. Now, with respect to that new capital X and capital Y, what would be the coordinate of the same point? Small x, small y was this was x and y axis.
Okay, understood now.
Understood now?
So basically, we will add them after multiplying with the respective cos theta or sin theta.
Now, I have asked Lasya to actually prove it. Prove capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. How we have proved it? It's a pure geometry. The second thing you are not able to do, na Lasya?
Yes, sir.
See the first one, let's prove x cos theta plus y sin theta. You have this is this y distance, small y, vertical one. You have this point. Now capital Y is this with respect to new axis. Correct? Able to see? Venkatesh?
Yes, sir.
Now what would be capital X? Capital X would be this distance. This distance. The point from this new y-axis. Now if you draw a triangle, this triangle, this angle is theta, this is 90, this is theta, so this will be theta. This is x, so it will become x cos
Sir,
theta.
can you once tell what we have to prove, like the final answer?
You have to prove this first equation, capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, how it came.
Okay.
Because you only knew that the coordinate of the point P was small x into small x comma small y. Now the axes have changed. They have been rotated by an angle theta. Now with respect to the new axis, what would be the value of the coordinate? The new coordinate of this point P becomes capital X and capital Y. Now this capital X and capital Y will be what in terms of small x and small y that we are trying to find. Because I have already given you the table, you have to prove it.
Okay.
So this is capital Y, this is capital X. So if we take the triangle, this distance is x, so this distance will become x cos theta.
Yeah, sir.
Now you You take one perpendicular, draw a parallel line parallel to y-axis, capital Y. Okay. You have to get this distance so that you will add this small x cos theta will add with this,
So
you'll get capital X.
basically, so we are just constructing triangles and then we are
Hmm.
using the trigonometric ratios. So
Hmm.
theta and theta. You get the answer because it will y sin theta and x cos theta will add up.
Hmm.
So we have to just like form this or we have to imagine like take it as theta.
It's up to you. You have to just find out the value of capital X and capital Y in terms of small x and small y theta.
Yes, sir.
How you get it? You will be getting the same answer.
Okay.
Now coming to the next point, let's just see. The second point you could, second one you could not prove it, na? Capital Y.
Yes, sir.
So you see this capital Y is this distance. Somehow you have to get this distance, capital Y. Now you already know this is small y, vertical distance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now can I say this whole distance from this top to this bottom will be y cos theta?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Now you got the idea. Some idea you have got. Now I want only this distance. Now I want only this distance.
Y cos theta minus.
Sir, I understood one thing.
X sin theta. Tell me.
Sir, basically like just you told y is basically parallel to that. So I first found y cos theta and then in the second I observed that this triangle like x cos theta, that triangle from which we first got x cos theta. So we can like use that to get y axis sin theta also because and since it is like reverse also so I just did negative so it is what I did.
You have to actually you have to see. It's up to you. You make your own, means you try to use your own logic, your own methods. Just remember you have to find out what would be the value of this capital Y, which is this distance, in terms of small y and
Yes,
small
sir.
x and theta.
Yes, sir.
So to get this capital Y is actually this distance. See my mouse. Okay, this distance. But if we see the triangle, this triangle we have, if from this distance is y, so I can write this as y cos theta. Y cos theta I can write. Now in the lower triangle, if you see this triangle, this and this,
I use this one only.
you can use it as, you can write this as x sin theta.
I did that. So
what you will get if you want capital Y, it will be y cos theta minus x sin theta, na? Yes, let's say you got it.
Yes, sir.
So like sir, we can just simply express sin theta as negative.
No, you have to minus the distances.
Basically understood. Basically, it x sin theta is basically like we are writing it as minus sin theta because the angle is like anti-clockwise.
No.
Because
No. It's not anti-clockwise and clockwise. See, you are taking this angle. You are able to see this angle. This is theta. This is theta. This is 90. So this will be 90 minus theta.
Oh, understood. So you are using this small triangle.
This small triangle I am using. Now, this distance is y, hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle, na? So I can write this base as y cos theta. But I want only the top portion, this length.
Yes, sir.
So I have to minus the bottom length from it to get capital Y. So the bottom, this I can get from the lower triangle as y x sin theta. This is x. This is right angle triangle. This perpendicular will become x sin theta. Now if I want to get this capital Y, which is this distance, this I will get by minusing y cos theta from x sin theta means y cos theta minus x sin theta would give me this capital Y. Total length minus this length. That's what I'm doing. Y cos theta minus x sin theta.
So we are simply putting the negative sign to the sin theta.
Because we are subtracting it. If you are subtracting something, you have to put negative sign only, na?
No, I did that, but like I got confused as this expressing as x into minus sin theta. I actually got this x sin theta and y cos theta.
No, don't worry about that. Just see this as y cos theta minus x sin theta.
Okay.
See,
okay, the same thing only. So
again, I'm telling you, this is just a proof. It's not needed also because no one will ask you. Just because you are writing JEE main examination, you're preparing for JEE and mains and advanced. That's why your brain should be, it should be capable of doing this kind of geometry calculations.
Okay.
Just for the sake of that thing, I have asked you to do it.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, there is no need. Just you need to remember this table. How to find out the relation between small x and capital X with theta. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let me give you some questions to practice. Then from the next class, we'll start your sets, relations, and functions. That is going to ask, na? That they are going to ask in your examination, na?
Yes, sir.
Let us solve some good quality questions. Micha, can you solve this question? The question I'm giving you, just try to understand first. If you have any difficulty in understanding, ask me.
Sir, can you once show the table? Sorry to disturb you. I wrote something wrong. A mistake. I wrote something wrong. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
If this is the question, just try to understand it first. And tell me if you have any difficulty in understanding this.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask me.
Sir, I didn't get that part where they have said 2, 4 in the line x plus 2y equals 2. Sir, for which line it is the equation?
Acha, let me draw the triangle. Let the triangle PQR be the image of triangle with vertices in the line. Acha, see. Suppose this is your x plus 2y is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
This is your triangle.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And they have vertices 1, 3, 3, 1, and 2, 4. The triangle that they are asking is the image of the triangle with these vertices in the line. That means you have this triangle. This is P, Q, R. If the centroid of PQR is at alpha beta, now the triangle which you have found out the image, this is the which is the mirror image, the PQR. For this, the centroid is alpha comma beta. Then 15 into alpha minus beta is what they are asking. Basically, you have to find out what you have to do. I'm giving you the idea. For each point with respect to the line, you have to find out the mirror image. Then you will get a triangle with these 3 coordinates, which you have found out using the mirror image formula. And then for that triangle, you have to find out the centroid. Finding centroid is very easy for you because x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That's your okay? No doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm?
I think the answer is 22, option C.
Creating answer 22. Yes, correct. Very good. What about you, Venkatesh? Are you getting the answer?
No, sir.
See, when this is the line, for each point you have to let's say it is A, it's B, it's C. You have to find out a mirror image. How x minus 1 by 1, x minus 1 by A is equal to y minus 3 by B is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 divided by A square plus B square, that formula.
Yeah.
So you'll find out a mirror image using this. So let's say, can you give me the points, the mirror image points you have got? Or see, see, there are two ways. One way is either get the mirror image of each point. That's the longer method. Okay. Of
Sir, we
each.
can find the centroid of the
Ah,
first triangle and
yes. The
then
shorter method is find out the centroid of the first triangle, take its mirror image. Because the centroid of this triangle will have the same mirror. The centroid of this triangle, if I find G1, and its mirror image will be the centroid of this mirror image triangle.
Okay.
That's better, because in this case we have to find out each point. It will be problematic. See, the centroid of this triangle is 3 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3, comma 3 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 3, 2, comma 8 by 3. Now here, for finding out the image of this, I'll use 2, 8 by 3, 2, 8 by 3. By this, I'll get the image alpha beta.
Sir, alpha is minus 2 by 15 and beta is minus 24 by 15.
Minus 24 by 15 and alpha is minus 2 by 15 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Let me solve for Venkatesh. It'll be this will get cancelled. So 16 by 3 by 1 by 5 minus 32 by 15 plus 2. So x will be minus 32 by 15 plus 2, which is 2 by 15 minus 2 by 15. We are getting the same answer that Tasya got. So alpha is equal to minus 2 by 15. Similarly, you can get beta. That's y. Y will be y minus 8 by 3 is equal to 2 into minus 32 by 15. You can solve it, you'll get minus 24 by 15. Now they are asking what? 15 into alpha minus beta. So 15 into alpha minus beta will be 15 into minus 2 by 15 plus 24 by 15. 22. It was asked in 2025, but it was easy, not tough one. Understood now? Now one more little concept I'll give you, because only one concept that usually the students are able to do it by using problem solving, but take it as a concept. Concept is when three lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Do you know what is concurrent?
Yes, sir.
They intersect at one point. Then we have a condition a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. The determinant of this is 0. You already know how to find out the determinant. This is the condition I wanted to give you. Let me give you one question on this. See, all these questions you can attempt. These are 25 questions now. 2025. You can attempt in the website. In the website, you will go to straight line section. Then year wise, if you select, you'll get these questions. All the questions are uploaded there. Try this.
जो कभी फोन चार्ज मस्त है आंटी वो
मैंने नहीं देखा, आप देख लो, आप देख लो।
Sir, I'm not getting how to find the values of alpha and lambda.
Sure. See, the lines are concurrent if the image of the line is this. See, these lines are concurrent. When these lines are concurrent, you will have a condition 3 minus 4 minus alpha, 8 minus 11 minus 33, 2 minus 3 lambda. So this will be equal to 0, correct? You'll get an equation in alpha and lambda,
Okay, sir.
two variables. Now there is one more condition they have given. The image of the point in the line means is this x and y, means you have 57 by 13 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 40 by 13 minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus lambda divided by 2 square plus minus 3 square. From this condition, you will get lambda. From
Okay,
here,
sir.
you will get lambda. Either you solve x1 with the or with the y1, you'll get lambda from here, and then you will put in the above determinant equation, you'll get alpha.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it is option A, 91.
It's 91. Wait. Correct. What about you, Venkatesh? Could you do it?
I'm doing it, sir. But it
Calculations and
was still
maths.
near.
What's the value of alpha you got, Lasya?
Yes, sir.
What's the value of alpha you got?
Alpha is plus 13,
And lambda?
minus 7.
Yes, correct values. Okay, Venkatesh, this one you will be able to do. Only calculation part is there. If you still did not get the number values you are not getting, then I'll solve and send you.
No, sir, I understood.
Okay. In the next class, after this, you can try to attempt the previous year questions from the website. Okay, from the website, you can select and then you can do it. Okay, I'll tell you how to do it. Just go inside the practice section, pre-practice, then select the top class 11 mathematics straight lines. And there, year-wise, you will have the year-wise option to select 2025, 2026, 2024, up to 2002. You can complete them year-wise. Okay, let's end it. And you can also create mock test, custom mock test also.
Okay, sir.